You lost some of your character, huh?
Yeah, I did. I shaved.
Oh, I got a picture of you. That's how we looked in 06.